Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and the talking point of today's segment is that everybody nowadays is afraid to meet and talk face to face, okay? And what I mean is networking, okay? Building your relationships. People do not, I repeat, do not have the skills socially that they used to have even a decade ago. Now, it's not too much time that's passed, but everybody has gotten comfortable behind their smartphones and their computers, and they forget how to talk, how to engage, how to give eye contact. So if you can do that in today's business climate, you will be ultimately extremely successful, okay? You will stand out from the pack because you know how to give the information, how to receive it, and do it comfortably the old school way. Now today I went to a B&I meeting in East Greenwich, and it was about 25 folks sitting around at a table, and we all got the opportunity to talk about what we do and what's a good referral for us. And what I noticed during this meeting is that most people are extremely uncomfortable. They cross their arms, they look down, they mumble their words, they get red in the face. They can't stare you in the eye and tell you what they do, okay? It's just so funny to see that the phones were supposed to bring us together, but they've really pulled us so far apart. So that's today's point. If you can talk to people in person and you can talk in front of crowds, you will be successful, okay? Once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.